Hello, this is Uncle Jim. It's been really warm and hot out here. And in one day, I did three things: pressure washed the whole front driveway, the front porch, everything. Decided to put a coat on this so it didn't look like a Mattel toy. Went out and picked up bullets, changed the targets, and fixed the swinger, which was totally annihilated. However, there's way too much rambling, so I'm just going to condense this into one video real quickie, throw some music in there, and then we'll talk about this at the end. All right. Okay, so I had 3 crappy 15-minute videos each that I shot the other day in the warm sun and got a lot done and tried to record all of it, and it was all crap. So what I did was threw this video together to try and salvage something, and then we had a live chat tonight. So I went out and did some night footage of the rock and shooting just to make this kind of work. And then threw some music at it. And I don't know if it worked or not. You guys tell me. Anyway, so one thing in the video was it was really warm outside, so I put this out here. And I wanted this speed out lower, not to look so much Mattel plasticky, shiny, crappy. And it turned out okay. I gave it 2 light coats. And this is an old spray can that I've used with a crappy tip on there. And that's Fusion Matte Black. And it matches ARs pretty damn good. But, you know, if you're doing something you really want nice, you use a fresh spray tip and a fresh can. But this works. It worked for now, and then we'll put this together in a future video for Mr. Snubs and see how it works and everything. So that's my spiel for tonight. So we had a live chat tonight. Andy came on. Thank you, Andy, for coming on. I don't know why my live chats people aren't coming on anymore. I don't know why I bother. But I'll probably keep doing videos, especially to music, because for me that's my thing, and kind of save 3 crappy videos. I don't know. So you guys out there, you can save your videos, maybe. Try and make them work. How come the... There we go. Congratulations, Kyle, for getting married tonight. And I don't know. I thought I earned. Until next time, thanks for watching. America.